Hello and welcome to this series of tutorials about LiveScaler. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install LiveScaler and then how to set up a session with Ableton Live to use the transformations of LiveScaler. So the first thing you want to do is to go to GitHub, to the LiveScaler page, and then click on the latest release. Download the zip file. And once you've downloaded it, you unzip it and you copy the whole folder into your Ableton Live user library. And once you're in the user library, you go to presets, MIDI effects, max MIDI effects, and then you just paste it. So I'm going to rename it LiveScaler. And now if you go into Ableton Live, you should have LiveScaler appearing here. So I'm first going to show you how to use with the keyboard, and then I'm going to show you with the pads. So LiveScaler allows you to change the harmony of your whole track in live. And what you need is basically, there are two devices. The first device is LiveScaler Conductor. You should have only one conductor in your whole session. This is the one that is going to send the pitch transformations to all the instruments. So I just put that on this keyboard. You just put a blank MIDI track, and what you want to do is to send the MIDI from the controller that you want to control LiveScaler. So here, this is Oxygen 49. This is this MIDI keyboard here, and since I want to use a MIDI keyboard, I should choose the Mage keyboard mapping for now. So this means that the key of the track I'm going to use is in major, and I'm going to use this keyboard here. So now that I've set that up, I have two small instruments here. A piano that's going to play this. Okay, or maybe, yeah, that's it. And a bass, that is just going to play this. Okay, so really, really simple. It's just to show you as an example. So now that I have put a conductor here, we want instruments. We want to put one LiveScaler instrument on each track that we want the conductor to have an impact on. So basically how this is happening is that the conductor here is going to send some informations to the instruments so that they are going to transform all the MIDI that they receive. So here they receive some MIDI in order to get the harmony that you want. So I've just put two LiveScaler instrument instances on both these tracks. And now I'm going to check on the keyboard which notes are on. So basically this is C3. And in the keyboard mapping, you want to press basically those keys from C3 to B3. And those keys are the ones that are going to allow you to apply some transformations. Now, of course, there is a lot more, and you can see that in the next videos, but for now, let's just apply those transformations and let's see what it does. Okay, so basically I've just applied a few transformations from here, and the transformations are applied to all the instruments, and they change the harmony accordingly. I'm not going to enter the details of what transformations actually do. I just wanted you to be able to set this up. So I think that if you achieved what I just did now, then you're ready to go and to see the rest of the tutorial. There is a second thing I want to show to you is that it's very similar with the pads. So if you want to use the pads instead of the keyboard, you just use, again, a conductor instance, and you probably want to use this keyboard, this mapping, so for the pads, you will notice that if I do not use this, when I press the lower part of the pad, it's a G sharp note. And that's a problem because we always want C3. So this is why I'm using the pitch device from Ableton. And I put it here, and I put -8 so that the G sharp here is actually a C. If you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now I'm ready to do the same thing I just did, but with the pad controller. Okay. So I think that you are now set up for using LiveScaler. One last thing I want to show you is that depending on the scale you are in, you have to set the proper anchor. So if you are in C major, you put the C anchor. If you are in D major, you put the D, and so on. If your track is in minor, you want the anchor to be the major relative of the scale you are using. So if you're in A minor, it would be C. If you're in B minor, it would be D, and so on. Okay. So now you should be ready to use LiveScaler in your own live session, and I will see you and get into more details in the next videos.